the Jule 23212. This is a 1/20th scale, 2.4 gigahertz buggy. So let's see what comes inside. So it seems very well protected. Styrofoam packaging. Here it is. We do have independent suspension, which is kind of nice. In the back we don't have independent. It's just a single axle and then a spring on each side for the suspension. Underneath the car you have your on and off switch. This is for the trim. Battery compartment, which you'll need a screwdriver to open up the battery compartment. In this bag here, it comes with the screwdriver that you need to open up the battery compartment. And there is your battery. It is nickel cadmium, 700 milliamp hour, 4.8 volt. Keep that out because we're gonna have to charge it. But then there's only one other thing in here besides the screwdriver, and it is a USB charger. Here is the remote control. You'll also need the screwdriver. And the controller requires 2 AA batteries. So looking around, yeah, I actually don't see any type of user manual. There's no user manual included. So if you've ran RCs before, you pretty much know what to do. Just pull the trigger and go. Oh, well, that is kind of disappointing. You hear that? Those clicks mean that this is non-proportional throttle. Oh, yep, same with the steering. Clicking on the steering, so non-proportional steering as well. But now I have everything out of the box. I just have to charge this up and then I'm ready to run. Okay, we're gonna do a little test run on this, see how well it goes. Like I mentioned before, I do suspect that this is non-proportional, so we're going to turn the switch on there, turn the controller on, and we'll find out right now. Usually when it clicks on the throttle or the steering, that is a pretty sure sign that it is non-proportional. Oh, yep. We have the, ooh, it's a little hard to, okay. Yep, it's totally non-proportional. But let's see how fast it is. Okay, the steering definitely has to be trimmed, and that can be done on the bottom here. These things are really hard to fine-tune. You probably will never get it right on. Okay, I take that back. That's pretty good. That's the best it's been. So I'm just gonna keep that. It is pretty quick. I mean, it takes a while to get up to speed, but I am going downhill a little bit here. Seems to handle all right. It's not overpowered or anything that it wants to spin out. It does take its time around the turns. Doesn't hop around too much on the little bumps. I mean, we are on the blacktop right now, so we will take it on gravel. See how the suspension works out, and see if it's drivable on the stones. I'm not even
Gonna attempt to try and drive it through the grass. As you can see, look right there. See how high the grass is and see how little the car is. It probably won't go. Yep. That's all you're getting. So stick to hard surfaces, but let's go check it out in the gravel, see how well it does in the gravel. It does pretty good on the blacktop. All right, here we are on this gravel trail, and well, it kind of struggles. Kind of struggles on the gravel. Just not enough power in that motor to even some of the little bigger. Yep, stuck on this stick here. So not really an off-road machine. Yeah, I'm stuck on this rock now. So there you saw it. Just stick to hard surfaces. The stones and gravel and grass just are not good.
So the Jule 23212, a little underpowered for stone, but it has plenty of speed on the sidewalk or on blacktop. So that's where I'd recommend running this car. So a little disappointing that it's non-proportional and that you have to manually adjust the trim. But other than that, it's a cool, fun little car. I'll leave a link in the description below where you can pick one of these up. The next RC on the channel is not going to be this one, because there's two different ones in this pack. I'm saving that one for later. It is going to be this. This is the RH807, and we'll find out a little bit more in the next video. But that'll do it for this video. If this is your first time watching and you haven't done it already, hit the subscribe button right over here. Smack that like button, and I hope to see you with the next Ready to Run RC.